Alright, welcome to the bonus video. You're done, you got some extra time, you're feeling amazing, you want to add something. Here's my challenge to you. We got this variable for the time, we got this variable for the speed. You could also have a variable to count how many walls that you survived, how many you got past. And so that would just be a different variable, and you would just need to update it at the right time, and you could make yourself a little score, and it would be awesome. So let me show you what I want that to look like. Okay, so you could have this score variable right there. Right now it should be 0 in the beginning. And every time I get past a wall, that's 1 I survived. So I would say when the wall gets all the way to the left, or when you get a new wall, that's 2 that I survived. Oh, I got lucky. I like this one. That's probably cheating in it. There's 3. So you could, with a little variable action, you could count how many you survived and make it awesome. Now that'd be really cool. That'd be gorgeous. See if you can get that going on. Okay, now that you've got that counter, one last extra challenge if you're feeling super awesome. Check this out. When I run it, I can actually have, since this speed is a variable, I can have old birdie ask me, what do you want the speed to start at? So if I hit 5, notice my speed is at 5 and it starts off pretty fast and goes up from there. Right? Or I could say starting speed 9, and that's like impossible mode, right? So I'm going to say the only thing is when you're doing that, you know how to ask questions, right? That's in the sensing block, right? You know how to get answers and store answers, so you just need to get it and store it. And then the only thing that's weird is you're going to need to switch almost all of your when game starts. You'll need to have a broadcast to start the game, because you want the bird to get the answer, store the answer, and then broadcast that it's time to start the game, and everybody would hear that and get going. But you know how to ask and store things in variables, and then you just have to do some fine-tuning to make sure that everything waits until it started. Even in the walls, you don't want the walls to start here. You want the walls to start when they receive that message. And you also had this thing. You want to get rid of it because you don't want to set the speed here. The speed's getting set by the bird asking the question. Awesome. So good luck with that. Make it extra awesome. It's going to be the most beautiful program you've ever seen. Good luck.